Welcome back, looters. I am your host on Tick to Loot, the channel where we turn ticks into treasure. Today we are on Lesson 6.1 of Unit 6, Risk Management. In this lesson, we're going to cover why risk management is everything in trading. By the end of this video, you will understand how to protect your capital and stay in the game long enough for your edge to play out. Let's get into it. Most traders lose not because of bad analysis, but because of poor risk management. This means they're not managing their trades correctly, leading to significant losses. The goal of risk management is to stay in the game long enough for your edge to play out over many trades. This means you need to survive the losses and let your winning trades add up. Even the best traders lose 40 to 50% of their trades. However, they remain profitable because they have good risk management in place. A key concept in risk management is the risk-reward ratio. This means you can be right only 40% of the time and still be profitable if your wins are larger than your losses. Think of it like a casino. The casino does not win every hand, but it wins because the odds are slightly in its favor over thousands of hands. This is similar to how risk management works in trading. There are two pillars of risk management. Always define your maximum loss before entering a trade, and always have a stop loss in place. A stop loss is an order to close your trade if it reaches a certain price level, limiting your potential loss. You need to shift your mindset from thinking about profits to thinking about protecting your capital. This means prioritizing risk management and preserving your trading account. By prioritizing risk management, you can stay in the game long enough for your edge to play out, even if you're not right all the time. To recap, risk management is everything in trading. It allows you to stay in the game, protect your capital, and let your edge play out over many trades. That is everything for Lesson 6.1. Why risk management is everything. If this helped you, smash that like button and subscribe to Tick to Loot so you never miss a lesson. Drop a comment below. What was the most useful thing you learned today? See you in the next lesson, looters. Keep turning those ticks into treasure.